We shall start first with 4 pearl colors: peacock, green, violet and white, and also ultramarine and translucent. All clay is on the thickest setting on the pasta machine. Make a square of approximately 2 by 2 inches for the peacock pearl and for the translucent, and the 1 square inch each of the other colors. The measurements don't have to be absolutely precise. Cut the peacock pearl and the translucent in 4. Mix each of the quarters with one of the other colors as shown. You will have 4 mixes. Get them on a medium thick setting. I use the 3 on a Makins machine. Cut 1/3 of each and set aside. Take graphite pearl on a medium thin setting. I use the 6 on a Makins. And make a square of about 1.5 inch. Run some black through the machine on the thinnest manageable setting and cover the graphite. Then run the sandwich through the machine on 2 settings lower than the thinnest setting. I use the 7 on a Makins machine. Run the 1/3 that you have cut of each of the colors through the same setting as the graphite black sandwich. Start first by pairing one thin color on top of a thicker color. Again, you don't have to be super precise, and you can patch up if your clay just got cut that way. Then place each of the color paired sandwiches on top of each of the graphite black sandwich, graphite side up as shown. Pass each of the stacks through the machine on the thickest setting. Then stack them one on top of the other. Flatten the stack, then pass it through the machine on the thickest setting. Cut in 4. Stack. Flatten a bit. Cut in 2 and stack again. Create a sheet from all the trimmings and place it at the bottom of the stack as a buffer. To create this specific Mokume gane deformation, use your knuckles as shown in the video. The deformation will create oblong concentric shapes. The ultramarine mix will create the illusion that the shapes are floating on water or night sky. Of course, you can use a different deformation if you so choose. Consolidate the stack as shown. Your stack in the end should be about 1 inch thick. Cut the stack into 4 slices. Flatten the slices and burnish them a little bit, and, optionally using cling wrap, use cutters to create pendant shapes. You can find information on the cutters I used in the PDF file. Reserve the remnants of clay. We shall make a bangle out of them. Bake the pendants between tiles and paper as shown to prevent warping. For the first, simplest pendant, all you need to do is sanding, buffing, and placing a pinch bail. To place a pinch bail, first drill for about 1 mm where the pinch bail pins will insert. Open the pinch bail slowly so it wouldn't break. Insert the pins in the holes you already have drilled. And use the pliers to close the bail. Your pendant is ready.